Morning class. This is for class 7th GK. We are now starting from page number 12 till page 11 we had completed in previous video, and now on page number 12 animal are more. So this you have to read it by your own. Now coming on to exercise on page number 13. So first question, it spray an odor called musk that can even temporarily blind a predator. So first answer is skunk, skunk, skunk. Then second answer is OPOSSUM, 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 opossum. Then coming on to third answer is tawny, TAWNY, frog mouth, FROGMOUTH, frog mouth. Then fourth answer is lizard, LIZARD, lizard. Fourth answer is lizard. Now coming on to fifth answer is puffing toad, PUFFING, puffing toad, TOAD, puffing toad. Then sixth answer is blue-tongued, BLUE, blue, TONGUE, blue-tongue, SKINK, snake, blue-tongue snake. Then eighth answer is three-toed sloth, THREE, three, toad, TOED, sloth, SLOTH, sloth. Then ninth answer is leopard, 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 gecko, GECKO, gecko. Then last 10th answer is owl, OWL, owl. So the exercise on page number 13 is complete now. Now coming on to next page 14, chapter number 5, the green earth. Read the question carefully and answer them by choosing the correct word from the help list. So you have to give the answer for these questions. Now the first answer is 2%. First answer is 2%. Second answer is pedicle, PEDICEL, pedicle. Then next third answer khaya, 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 IVORENSIS, Ivorensis. Then fourth answer 4, FOUR, 4. Now fifth answer is neem, NEEM, neem. Then sixth answer is South Africa, SOUTH, South, AFRICA, South Africa. Then coming on to next question number 7. Question number 7 answer is Brazil, BRAZIL, Brazil. Then Eighth answer is deciduous forest. DECIDUOUS. Deciduous trees. TREES. Deciduous trees. The ninth answer is phanerogems. PHANEROGAMS. Phanerogems. Then last question number 10. The correct answer is cryptogems. CRYPTOGAMS. Cryptogems. Clear? Now coming on to next chapter, chapter number 6, smart plants. First question, A part, first question. The correct answer is elephant's foot tree. Elephants, ELEPHANT, elephant's foot tree. Then second answer, saguaro. SAGUARO. Then third answer, water. HYACINTH. Hyacinth. Water hyacinth. Then fourth answer, resurrection firm. RESURRECTION RESURRECTION. Now coming on to next page, question 5th. The answer is mistletio. Mistletio. MISTLETOE. The next, sixth answer is Ocotillo. OCOTILLO. Now coming on to B part, question number 1. B part, question number 1. Answer is soyabean. 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 Then second answer is strangleweed. STRANGLE. Strangleweed. WEED. Then third answer is May apple tree. MAY. May apple tree. This is the answer. Now coming on to chapter 7. 7th chapter, question number 1. The correct answer is deciduous. 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 Then second answer, stippy. STEPPE. Stippy. Then third answer, boreal. BOREAL. Then fourth answer, tidal. TIDLE. Next, fifth answer, rainforest. 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 Then sixth answer is savanna. 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 Now coming on to next page, second part. This is also forest quiz. So first answer, Sundarbans. SUNDERBANS. Sundarbans. Then second answer, the Californian old growth forest. CALIFORNIAN. Californian old growth GROWTH forest. FOREST. Old growth forest. Then third, Sherwood forest. SHERWOODFOREST forest. Then last, fourth one, tropical mixed terrain Indian jungles. Tropical TROPICAL. Tropical mixed terrain TERRAIN. Indian INDIAN. Indian jungles JUNGLES. Jungles. Now chapter 7 is completed. Coming on to next chapter, chapter 8, your environment score. In this the questions related to your environment, means whole world. So you have to take the correct answer from the given option. So first answer is B. First correct answer is USA, B. Then second correct answer is red data book, A part. Correct answer is A, red data book. Then third question, correct answer is A. Then fourth correct answer is A. Fifth correct answer is B, Greenpeace. Then sixth correct answer is B, 5th June. 5th June is correct answer. Then seventh correct answer is A, carbon monoxide. Then eighth correct answer is B, plastic. Then coming to 9, correct answer is carbon dioxide, A part. Then 10th correct answer is green, B part. 11 plant and trees, A part. Then 12th giant panda, A part. 12th A part is correct. Clear? Chapter 9, garbage out. Garbage means waste. So in this chapter you have to find out these names are given, some substance names are given, then you have to find out whether this is biodegradable or non-biodegradable. So biodegradable, the difference between both of them are, biodegradable are those that can easily burn, while non-biodegradable are those which take more time to burn or which cannot easily burn or it take more time. Like plastic, it take more time to burn, so it is non-biodegradable. Then a cloth, it can easily burn, so these are biodegradable. So here you have to find out which are bio or which are non-biodegradable. Now first one, a sheet of glass, it is non-biodegradable, so put N. First one is non-bio. Then second one, bio. A piece of cloth, it is biodegradable. Then polythene bags, these are non-biodegradable. Then floppies, these are also non-biodegradable. Then vegetable and fruit, these are biodegradable, can easily burn. Then plastic bottles, non-biodegradable. Metal container, non-biodegradable. Then a piece of paper, biodegradable. Then timber, biodegradable. Then leaves, these are also biodegradable. Now B part, take the correct statement. So first one is true, and second one, it is false. Now your chapter 9 is completed. Now your homework is, you have to do these in your book and you have to learn by heart these chapters. From chapter 10 I will explain you, I will give the question answer in next class. Till that time, okay, thank you and have a nice day.